Hello guys, today in this video we are going to talk about how to cancel NeuroLyfe sleeping gummy subscription. Okay, so basically they have some product. When you buy a product they will activate subscription on your account, so how we can cancel it. Okay, so the cancellation is very easy. First of all, what you have to do, you need to visit on the official website, that is like neurolyfe.com, shop neurolyfe.com. This is the official website, and once you are on the official website, what you have to do, you need to click on the button on your profile icon. Okay, this kind of button you will see, like profile icon button. You need to tap on this button, and once you tap on this button you will see this kind of window. In this window you need to enter your email id, and once you enter your email id you need to click on this arrow button, and they will send you a link. Okay, by using link or by using OTP you can log in into your dashboard and you can manage your subscription. This is the one easy method to cancel your subscription if you are a technical person. If you are not a technical person, if you don't know anything, so there is a very big issue for cancellation of subscription. There is only last option to cancel your subscription, that is like you need to cancel your credit card by contacting your credit card provider. This is the last option. There is no other way by which you can cancel your subscription. You need to cancel your credit card. Okay, you need to get a new credit card, you need to get a new one. Okay, and once you get new credit card, your old credit card will automatically expire, and all the unwanted subscription will end it automatically. Okay, this is the last option. Now if you have any questions you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.